Hi everyone, my name is Jessica, and for my Stackathon I decided to build a neighborhood recommender, or as affectionately called, the block. And I wanted to do this because of a problem I've encountered where if you're moving to a new city, you don't really know anything about it, it's hard to decide what the best place for you to live would be. And usually if you do some kind of Google search, it will just give you a generic list of the best neighborhoods, but those might not actually fit your criteria. So I wanted a flexible search where you can just put in any kind of criteria that you want, and it will suggest the neighborhoods that best suit your needs. So I'll go ahead and demo it for New York. And okay. So you choose your city. I'll choose New York. Right now it's loading the different neighborhoods. And let's do a quick search for a place with lots of trees and greenery. And so this comes up with a few neighborhoods that have parks and greenery and that kind of thing. And if you hover over the different options and you click Explore, it will take you directly to the Wikipedia page for that neighborhood. But that was kind of a gimme because those all have parks. So if we do something a little bit more complex, I actually asked some of my friends and family members for suggestions of where they would like to live. And I'll put in one of those. Let's see. Riverfront, tree-lined streets. They had a lot of requirements. And residential. Let's see what we get. And so what it's doing now is actually pulling a bunch of data from Wikipedia and running an algorithm that I wrote to rank them based on what your criteria are and what different sections that those articles have. So again, we get places, so the criteria was riverfront, so we got places that are on the water, tree-lined streets, and these are relatively green neighborhoods, and they are relatively residential. So I'll just do one more example to show you that this is a very flexible natural language app. So you can really put in any kind of text that you want. So I put in my own criteria, and I wanted lots of good choices for Asian food. Or lots of choices for good Asian food. Okay, bear with me, and let's see what we get. So naturally it comes up with Koreatown and Chinatown, which are the two best places for Korean food and Chinese food, respectively, in the city. And then the last thing is that this works for any city. So I just showed New York because we're all familiar, but you can also choose any of the cities from the list, and the algorithm will work the same way. So that's my Stackathon. Thank you.